So Rene, you're a few weeks past surgery after we placed the implant. So how are things feeling?
Actually, really good. I am eating food again. The denture is actually perfect. It's a really quality denture. I haven't had any problems. Obviously, really haven't had any problems speaking with it. It just took me a little while to learn the tricks of eating with it. But I'm really satisfied with everything. I haven't had any problems with the implants at all. Everything healed up so far really good. I haven't been in any pain. The pain was probably about a week, and that was really the majority of the healing. I just got my stitches out, so.
Have you gotten comments how you look?
Oh my gosh, yeah, like people have commented about my teeth right now, and if they said if they wouldn't have known, they would have thought that they were my real teeth. They, had no idea. And these are friends that I've known since probably 25 years. So they thought that they looked amazing. So
Great. Okay,
yeah.
thank you.